In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add terms and conditions and privacy policy pages to your Squarespace website. We're going to create these pages, add your legal text, and then place a link in your site footer so visitors can easily find them. This is a simple but important setup for making your website look more professional and trustworthy. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard and clicking on Website. From there, click Pages so you can manage the structure of your site. In the Pages panel, look for the Not Linked section. This is usually the best place for legal pages, since you may not want them displayed in your main navigation menu. Click the plus icon next to Not Linked, then choose Add Blank and select Page. Once the new page appears, give it the name Terms and Conditions. After naming the page, click Edit to open it. Inside the editor, click Add Section, then choose Add Blank again. This gives you a clean area where you can place your content without extra design elements getting in the way. Next, click Add Block and select Text. In that text block, paste or type your terms and conditions content. If you already have the wording prepared, this is where it goes. If you're typing it manually, take your time and make sure the formatting is easy to read. Clear spacing and readable text will make the page more user-friendly. After the page content is in place, the next step is to make it accessible from your footer. Click Edit Site Footer. In the footer area, click Add Block and choose Text. Then type the label Terms and Conditions. This text will become the clickable link your visitors use to open the page. Now, highlight that footer text and click the link icon. When the linking options appear, choose the Page option and select the Terms and Conditions page you just created. This connects the footer text directly to your new legal page. Once that's done, repeat the same process for your privacy policy. In other words, create another blank page in the Not Linked section, name it Privacy Policy, edit the page, add a blank section, insert a text block, and paste in your privacy policy content. Then go back to the site footer, add another text block if needed, type Privacy Policy, highlight it, click the link icon, and link it to the privacy policy page you created. That's it. You now have both legal pages added to your Squarespace website and linked in your footer, making them easy for visitors to access from anywhere on your site.